Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add a cool motion blur effect to your designs in Canva. It's super easy and fast. First, just open your Canva. Next, you can either upload a new photo for your designs or just open an existing one. And then just go to apps. And then just search for frame blur. And then just choose this app. Just tap on it. And then just tap on your image. And then choose edit image. Like this, and then just adjust your brush size and then adjust your brush width, adjust it as you like, and then just select your blur effects. In this tutorial, just choose motions, this one, just tap on it, and then just brush your area that you want to add a motion blur effect, like this. Like this, for example, like this. And then after that, just tap on save. And okay, that's it. Once you're done, you can enhance your designs, like maybe add text, filter, or other effects to make it looks even better. And okay, if this was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.